Good afternoon, sir. My name is P. Geetika. I am studying 8th class B section.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is S. Nura. I am studying 8th class B section.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Talabalam. I am studying 7th class B section.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Elizabeth Rani, 8th class A section.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Chetna. I am studying 8th class B section.
Today introduction. The number of parking system to the use in the Arduino is UNO is the of the motor. Objectives to an object in an object's automatically vehicle parking system to reduce human efforts in parking management, to display available parking slots, to automatically open and close gate.
Arduino IDE, programming language embedded C and Arduino C.
Advantage of full automated system, reducing traffic, conservation of gas and variability as wanted.
Applications: shopping malls, office parking, small cities, and colleges and hospitals. Limitations: limited to fixed number of stars. IR sensors may fail in sunlight. No remote maintenance.